you're gonna see full hardcore porn videos that you can just click on through Google. It's just there. There's hundreds of results. I didn't type anything extra. You don't type triple X, you don't type porn, you don't type naked, none of that shit. You just type Shibuya Kaho, the name that she has on Twitch. You just type in that and then go like on Google. That's it. And they're like, okay, well, that's kind of wild, you know? Like, dude, if I type in Sasha Grey on Google, I will actually find a lot of Twitch stuff there. With Shibuya Kaho, not really. It's all these like distributor websites where you can buy her videos, like from all the old Mommy Milker videos that she did. And again, I'm not against it. I'm all for it. I think she's hot as hell. But everyone pretending like it's not a total like gooner move is just in complete and total denial. I get it, man. Fucking 11 out of 10 would. Like, are you kidding me? Of course, I get it, and I'm not against it at all. I feel like there's a blessing from God. If there is one, that's a sign of it. If God exists, that chick is a sign of it. But everyone pretending like it's like, oh, she's just like such a great, unique. Like, okay, yeah. What about Gogo Borgor? Gogo Borgor is an amazing streamer over there, and she makes great content. And she is a girl who makes great educational and positive content in Japan. It's very interesting, and she's really, really cool. Really cool, interesting person. No ambassador for her. But she's also got only modest tits, so. I don't know. Gone are the days when you get homies like Sushi Dragon as the ambassador. Sushi was Twitch ambassador a while ago, and that's how I found him. God damn it, he was so good.
Let's get to the end of this shit. Let's get to the end of this shit. We fucking did this shit. We did it, motherfuckers. Yo, Nighty, thanks for the 20. Just as we're crossing the line. Oh, my poor leg, man. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh, it hurts so bad. But we gotta run through the pain. Run through the pain. We're almost there. We're almost there, motherfuckers. Oh. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. I fucking did it. 16 kilometers, motherfuckers. Oh. It's been done. It's done. Oh my God. Everett with the 99.99. Thank you. 16 kilometers, 10 kilos on my back.
Maar ook gewoon over nieuws.
Ze zei, ja, voor mij maakt dat wel uit.
Maar ook gewoon zo'n dingen zegt, ik wil naar Marbella en zo. Als Fantiek, als we nu naar Friesland gingen, dan...
Oh ja, die snap ik wel, man.
Of even naar een luxe strandtent of zo, ja. Als we echt achter betalen.
Maar hij doet het zo bedoeld toch? Hij werkt in box.
Nu is het even niet, maar hoe kan hij niet geluid maken?
Ja, dat vraag ik me ook af.
Dat hij doet. En dan snap je dan.
Red lights are blind. He's often playing chess with people. What the fuck? Holy shit! Oh shit! Oh fuck! The keys!